Yeah, what's up guys? What's up guys? Look what's going on here guys. After the shower rain, we in the ending of September. Today is the 28th of September and there's a shower rain come down and everything is just getting ripe. And the crazy thing is the tree is still producing small ones. So as we come all around here, what we're seeing is ripe peppers everywhere. Beautiful peppers, man. Wow. Yes, guys. Let's come down here again, guys. More beautiful peppers just growing. So after the rain, my pepper tree just start producing.